Okay, I went through and put my product, or the answer, in all of these boxes. My time? Yes. The more you practice, the quicker you get. Do I expect you to be here? Absolutely not. Am I going to be super impressed if you are? Heck yeah! Okay, part A. Color all the squares with even products orange. Can an even product ever have an odd factor? So, first part of that is to color all the squares with even products orange. So, let's talk about this. Is 1 even? Nope, sure isn't. How about 2? Yes. Whenever you're trying to figure out if a number is even or not, you need to think to yourself, if I have 2 cookies and I split them into 2 groups, is each group going to have at least 1? If I have 3 cookies and I have 2 groups, is everybody going to get 2 whole cookies? No, everybody gets 1.5. Okay, so you have to think about if you can split it evenly. All right, so if you don't have an orange, that's totally fine. If you have a crayon, color pencil, marker, that all works. Just remember not to color over your product or the factors. If you don't have an orange, that's totally okay. You can color around with your pencil. That works too. Okay, so go ahead and color all the even products orange.